How do you control indoor temperature using natural ventilation? Imagine walking into a home where the air feels just right, cool in summer and warm in winter, all without flipping a switch. That's the magic of natural ventilation. It uses the natural forces of wind and buoyancy to move fresh air through your space, keeping it comfortable naturally. This approach is a key part of sustainable home design and passive strategies that help save energy and reduce costs. First, wind-driven ventilation plays a big role. When wind blows against a building, it creates pressure differences. Openings on the windward side let fresh air in, while openings on the leeward side let warm, stale air escape. This cross-ventilation can significantly cool a room by replacing warm indoor air with cooler outdoor air. To make this work well, the openings need to be carefully sized and positioned. For example, windows on opposite walls should be aligned with prevailing winds, and their sizes should be balanced to maximize airflow. Next, the buoyancy or stack effect is another natural way to control temperature. Warm air inside a building rises because it is less dense. By placing vents or windows high up, warm air can escape upward, creating a suction that pulls cooler air in from lower openings. This vertical airflow helps cool spaces even when there is little wind. For instance, installing clerestory windows or vents at the top of walls can help hot air leave the building, especially during warm days. Air movement also benefits from convection, which is the movement of air caused by temperature differences. When warm air rises and cooler air enters, it increases airflow inside the space. This increased movement makes the indoor environment feel cooler because it speeds up evaporation of sweat and improves air quality. Designing for natural ventilation involves thoughtful placement of openings. Large operable windows that run full height allow for better airflow. Positioning these windows on opposite sides of the building helps harness prevailing winds. Incorporating features like wind towers or solar chimneys can also boost vertical airflow, especially in warmer climates. The building's shape and orientation matter too. Aligning the building with prevailing winds and using open floor plans or internal openings like transom windows help complete the airflow circuit. Using thermal mass materials like concrete or brick can store heat during the day and releases it at night. When combined with natural ventilation, these materials help keep indoor temperatures stable. For example, opening windows at night to let cool air in can flush out stored heat, making indoor spaces more comfortable during the day. In dry climates, natural ventilation works very well for cooling, especially when there are large temperature differences between day and night. In humid areas, it's important to be cautious because increased airflow can raise indoor humidity levels. In such cases, natural ventilation should be combined with other strategies like shading or dehumidification. The benefits are clear. Using natural forces to control indoor temperature reduces reliance on energy-consuming air conditioning or heating systems. It lowers energy bills, cuts greenhouse gas emissions, and improves indoor air quality by constantly exchanging stale indoor air with fresh outdoor air. So, controlling indoor temperature with natural ventilation is all about smart design, placing openings thoughtfully, orienting the building to the wind, and using architectural features to promote airflow. It's a simple, effective way to create a comfortable, energy-efficient home that works with nature, not against it.